Tumatik yung cellphone. Ito nga ako eh. So guys, hello. Hi.
Let's do a match.
Wait. I have a question for you. What's your name?
Liam.
Liam Stewart. Okay.
Liam.
And you, what's your name?
Lila.
Layla. Oh, don't put that inside your baby. And you, what's your name?
Lila.
Okay. And I am. What's my name? What's my name?
Papa.
Papa is my name. Wow, what a nice name.
What is your extra name?
Ekte name, Sagmol. Raynon Stewart.
Raynon Stewart.
And then, how old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old, but
Oh, only 2 months, then I'm going to become 7.
4 weeks. 4 weeks you will be 7 years old.
What is
1 month.
1 month?
Yes. And you? How old are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4 years old? And what about your twins? Tanungin natin kung ilang taon na siya. How old are you?
4.
Wait, kuya. How old are you?
4.
Nahiya ka pa. Eh, kapag magkakambal kayo. So, the same age. 4 years.
4, Papa.
Ah, you're 4 years old. Okay. You guys speak Tagalog?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. But maybe one day you guys will speak Tagalog, right?
No.
And German?
Yes.
Yes.
I can already speak that right.
Yeah, you go to school, right? Yeah, you go to school in Sinsheim. You are now...
Sinsheim Adelsbach nummer 9.
That's the place, that's the house where we live in Sinsheim house.
And only 2 months, then we're going to Eduardo's house and to England.
So, we will fly... Oh.
And a passport. I'll get it right now to show you guys.
What? Tawag, kuya, huwag mo pakita yung passport mo dito. Wait. Ito naman. And you are, how old are you? 4. You are also 4. And you are my twins, right? Yeah.
You're 6, Papa.
6? Yeah, my brain is 6.
Yeah, also your head.
My head.
And we want to stay with you, Papa.
You want to stay with me? Why?
Because we love you.
Because we love you. Love mo, Papa? Wow. Can you please sit properly? I have pain on my legs. Bigat mo kasi eh. You speak German, guys?
Yeah. I do it.
Okay. Say something in German. Hindi pa kayo marunong. Sabi mo, eins,
Try.
drei, vier, fünf, sechs,
7, 8, 9.
9, and the last one, 10. Yo. Kuya, dito ka na. Hinahanap yung passport niya. Papakita daw niya. Kasi punta daw siya ng England. Sagamol!
Ito lang.
Yan, malamig sa labas. Winter. Kuya, wag mo na pakita yung passport mo. Di mo kailangan pakita yung passport mo. So. No, Mama is sleeping. No, you don't need to ask Mama, okay? Kuya, baby. Oh. Kiss Papa. Ah, sarap. Kiss Papa. Ah, sarap. Yeah, ang ginawa niya maghapon. What did you do whole day?
This one is I was too proud.
Mama. Kuya. Wait, stop ko muna to. Makulit. Kasi sarap. Ayan na. Makulit si kuya. Gusto niya pakita kanya. Sarap. Okay, Papa. Sarap. Okay, sarap. Doon ka sa kabila. Dito ka sa kabila. On the other side. Go on the other side.
No, Kuya,
Hindi ka marunong Tagalog eh. Di ba intindihan?
Kuya was there for. And you listen to Papa.
You want to listen to Papa? That's so nice of you. And you?
I have bunny.
What? Band-aid?
No.
Bunny. Show us your bunny. Yeah, it's a bunny. Puluba. Sagamol. Puluba. Yeah, banga. Ay, tama na! Stop showing us your tongues. I have a question again. Do you love Papa? Huwag ganun. Papangit naman ang sigaw. Okay. Hey, stop! Okay. Yeah! Si Kuya, nagpalit na ng t-shirt. Show us your t-shirt. Baligtad pa. Bihira. Backward. Yeah, now it's better. Okay. Okay. Kuya, I have a question for you also. What? Do you love Papa?
I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Wow, may rating.
I am going to give Mama a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Also, Etta, a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
And they maybe a 9 out of 9.
No. Yeah. So what did you do today at school?
So first. So we did flow, Essence,
Yeah.
große Pause,
Grosse Pause and then baby, put it down.
Basteln
Oh.
und auch
Sport.
nein,
Did you eat your lunchbox?
ja, and also we did also like sport.
Sports.
We play like
Katze. Okay. Kat daw. Kat.
bello,
Bello. Di che bello.
and
Ito naman ang kulit.
Polizei.
Polizei. Wow. Police. Okay.
And I don't know anymore.
And then you guys, both of you. So, you want to go to kindergarten?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe next time. Maybe next summer. Ipit yung buhok niya. Okay, hindi naman sinasadya. Don't be angry, okay?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Hindi naman yung absent. Yan.
Kinda upset. That's aus Versehen.
Wow, galing yung German na ni Kuya. Yeah, and last... Deutsch. Pwede matagalog, pwede English.
Deutsch.
Okay. Look, ani Frage. Sagmol. Okay. Wait. English is much better.
Deutsch.
Okay. Do you love... Okay. Do you love Papa?
Deutsch.
German ba? Okay. Live sa Papa?
Ja.
Live sa Papa?
Ja.
Live sa Papa? Pakis pa, pakis. Sarap. Sarap.
I love that. I love.
Kuya. Tumatik yung cellphone. Tungan ako eh. Ay, sige na. Kukulit nyo. Wait, don't shout. Sandali lang. Yan. So, magbabay muna tayo. Wag muna. Wait lang, wait. Okay. Hey, we have to say goodbye. Bye-bye na. Stop. Behave. Wait. Sit. Wait lang. Kukulit nyo. Okay. Ang kukulit nyo. Wait, I'll hawak it. Okay? I'll hawak it. Okay, show us. Wait, I'll hold it. Wait. Okay. Wait lang. Nela is trying. Okay, you hold it. Show us. Show it to the world. Yeah. Okay, you also. A Lego house. Hawak. A Lego house, kuya?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, my master.
All by yourself. Okay, para si Celine Dion. All by myself. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and we say goodbye. Kuya. Wait.
And the count of 3, we all say Sonic, okay?
Sonic again. Okay, 1.
No. Eins, zwei, drei. Sonic!